we're talking about this. This is A equals, we enter either plus, minus, asterisk or slash. And then we ask for a floating input. Basically, float is like a decimal, so we converted this input to a decimal because it starts as a string, and we convert y into decimal as well. Then we do the heart of the system. So if a equals plus, which is this, if a, we stored it in a, so if it equals plus, then we print add x and y, and we do the same thing for here, here, and here. We also need to do this. I didn't do this, but this is a really important. We need to check if all else failed. We need to print in an f string, which is basically like when you put this, it's like a variable. Like so, a is not valid. As you can see, we say a is not valid. So just in case we put a wrong one. All right, let's see here. So we add x and y, we return the value of x and plus y, basically. Same thing for subtracting and multiplying. Dividing is a little bit different because we have an if statement. We're checking if y equals 0 because we can't divide by 0. And then we, if we escape the loop if it's not true, and we just return x divided by y. So let's try again. 1, 1, 1. 1 is not valid. 1 is not an operator, of course. Let's just try that again. So let's do division. Let's do like 1/3, for example. Let's just do 1/3. And it says 0.333, which is correct. Anyways, so you can find the code in the description if it helps you. Also like and subscribe. It really motivates me to make videos and help you guys in your education and coding. Anyways, bye.